In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build CRM in HubSpot. First, head to the HubSpot website and click Get Started Free. You can sign up with your email or connect a Google account, and there's no credit card required. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Take a moment to explore the core areas you'll use most: contacts for people and companies, deals for opportunities, tasks to manage follow-ups, and reports to track performance. Knowing where things live will save you time later. Next, add your contacts. You can enter them one by one or import a CSV if you have a list. Include essentials like name, email, phone, and source so you always know where a lead came from. Before importing, clean up your spreadsheet, use consistent values for the source field, and map your columns carefully to avoid duplicates. To make your CRM fit your business, create custom properties. Go to Settings, then Properties, and select Create Property. Set up fields such as lead status with options like new, contacted, and closed service type for what you offer, and source to standardize where leads originate, like Facebook, TikTok, or referral. Use dropdowns wherever possible to keep your data clean and reportable. Now set up your sales pipeline. In sales, open deals and define clear stages that reflect how you sell, like new lead, contacted, interested, proposal sent, and closed won. Keep stages mutually exclusive and outcome-based so you always know what needs to happen next. Create deals to represent real opportunities. For each one, add a descriptive deal name, the amount you expect, the current stage, and a target close date. Link the deal to the related contact and company so all emails, notes, and activities roll up in one place. Use tasks to stay on top of follow-ups. Create tasks like call the lead, send a proposal, or follow up. Add due dates and reminders so nothing slips through the cracks, and check your tasks view daily. Connect your email in settings by choosing Gmail or Outlook. With email connected, messages can log automatically to the right contact or deal, giving you a complete communication history without manual work. Set up simple workflows to save time. For example, when a new lead is created, send a welcome email, and if there's no reply after a few days, automatically create a follow-up task. Start small, test, and build from there. Finally, track results with reports. Monitor leads, sales, and conversions, and review your dashboards regularly to spot bottlenecks and double down on what's working. And that's your HubSpot CRM set up and ready to grow with you.